So I told y'all I was gonna be getting into some woodworking because that's what my brother does, and he's got his shop here at my house. And I was out here looking for my Dremel tool for a project. Cats. For a project I'm working on, and I figured I might as well just show you around the shop a little bit. So let's do it. So as you can see, it is packed full of stuff. We've talked about maybe putting in like a shed out back or whatever to store the wood in. That way he can just bring in whatever wood he needs for whatever project he's working on. That way really all that would be in here is tools. But that's probably something a little farther down the road. But yeah. Here it is. Pretty crazy. Basically everything you see in here is my brother's that he's just built up over the years. I don't even know how many years he's been doing this, actually. I should ask him. It's been a long time since he was like a teenager. But yeah, cool stuff. And I'm trying to get into it a little bit, and we'll see where we can go with it, you know? Turn into full-time business maybe. We'll see. In here getting things together. Got a package in here today. I'll show you guys that once the other stuff arrives for what I'm working on. But first up, I'm trying to build a workbench to go basically along that whole wall. Yeah, I'll bring you guys along for building that. See how it goes, and then from there we'll work on some projects together, show you all what I'm doing, see what I can come up with. All right, guys, so I told you I had packages coming in today. They're here. We're gonna unbox them together, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing. Big reveal. This is what I got, guys. Got myself a wood burning kit here. These log slices. And clock kits. So, as you can imagine, the goal is to turn these into clocks, custom clocks. I'm gonna wood burn and carve designs onto these and hopefully be able to sell them. That's all I'll be showing you guys of this in this video. My first project will be a video all of its own. But yeah, I'm super pumped about this whole project and getting this all going. So yeah, hopefully y'all will stick around and enjoy videos of me building stuff like this. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it, like I said. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Well, that's gonna be it right there, guys. I'm probably gonna have to put some sort of a support beam in the middle there, I think, just because I'm gonna have to use all three of these pieces. And as you can see, that small one there is gonna be a bit squishy if I do that. I don't know if I'll shave the boards down to fit, see what I mean, or just leave them to overlap. I don't know. Probably just leave them to overlap because extra space, why not? Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Be on the lookout, because in the next video, it will be one of my first woodworking projects that I'm starting to do on this here bench that I just made. So yeah, stay tuned for that.